this power take off.
Okay.
Kasi ang mangyayari, pag linagay ko yun sa PTH, mangyayari kasi dyan yung generator maging motor na eh. Motorization. Runs out of main engine locally. Start main engine. That's out na.
Isa.
PTH na dito. PTH. Then you go to PTH there from the shop generator side.
Kami naman po natin. Galing siyang PT o PPTH.
Yeah. PTH, you see? Then using the mouse, I will go to the PMS, go to take me home. So I'll touch this one. Let us start. Because it said minimum 2 generators, one big and one small. Yeah, because it was 2 here, minimum.
Then this is lit, green lit, so that it is possible.
These are green, so this is the only icons that you can use. But for now, we will use the PMS to take me home. Totally. We will first proceed.
Tapos kaya rin na punta ka sa sequence, power taking doon sa shop.
Then it goes to take me home. Ito yung handa. That's all. And then we will start first to synchronize that one. And after, we will touch this one, sequence, and then we will go to sequence. This is play, go to sequence, okay, press the sequence.
Pwede naman kahit dalawa lang.
Okay, para hindi siya but it's okay. Anyway, you are in the requirements of minimum 2. But we wait because number 2 is quite slow to synchronize. PTI.
Yung sa sequencer 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Kaya tapos mag-extern na lang. That's engage that.
Yeah. Sure.
Then after we give to bridge.
Nag-require siya na
Propulsion.
nag-require siya na yung tuyong ano
Okay.
kasi dito sa priority.
Mas at least naka-minimum 2. Yun ang minimum requirement.
So now,
Tingnan, no?
you see it's PTH mode. So, yeah, now it's engaged.
So,
See?
and then we will give it to bridge.
That's the normal. It's normal alarm. It's normal alarm because it's always ready. Hello, bridge.
Pero pwede naman baguhin yung kahit 1 day or 1 day.
Yes, Cap. I will give you the control, and then you can just move the PCS. How much you like the speed?
Are we doing this on Pareto or constant?
You don't have to do anything, sir. Just I will just give you the control, and then you will just move the what you call this, the pitch.
Ahead or astern?
Ahead or astern.
Once we go,
I will be in contact with you when you speed up, but normally it could run until 4 to 5 knots.
or 8 to 9.
Yeah, that's correct. But it is possible, sir. It is good if you in the Hoglund there, you go to the PMS, and then we will see so that we can see the load on the shaft generator. So normally that's they usually see the load from the shaft generator if it's still okay.
Yeah. Okay. So give me a call when we start flowing.
Yeah, wait. So now, as you can see, it's running now as a
Let's
motor.
go.
Yeah, wait, sir. See, it will slowly speed up the.
Then after we finish this details, sometimes this mechanical clutch is difficult to yeah, that's why we will engage the turning there so that we can
Disengage.
Yeah. Sometimes it's difficult to engage it again.
And also, the last thing that we will do is to. That's the last one that we will do. Is the lever. Yeah. Because sometimes it starts automatically. The engine starts automatically. So we just when everything is okay, then stop lever. Yeah.
Pero last year, ilan yung speed natin nun? Ayun, practice tayo nun eh.
So
In this small chip of speed.
yeah, he will slowly speed up,
Yeah.
and then we will be monitoring this one.
Yes.
Now it's power limit. You see, it's still okay. You can still increase. It's no problem. So we are just normally the bridge will just monitor this. If let's say it's around 80%, then that's it. That's the only speed that we could keep. But if they like more, then we start this one. Then it will add again. Are you now speeding up, though?
Yes. A little bit speeding up, slowly.
Yeah, okay. Because from the PTS of the shaft generator, we still have, we have only used 18%.
Okay, give more. That's right. Total power.
Yeah, that's correct. Because we are using 2 generators, so it's, I think we can go until 8 knots, 9 knots.
Okay.
Видишь, как электрофон там.
Pwede na. umabot dito ng 9 knots. If the weather is good, it could go around 10 knots. If it's nothing, it's just like this
Saka maganda
weather.
rin maganda yung panahon eh. Ano naman.
So this is very important that we familiarize with this. Because sometimes in port, if the engine is disabled, we can use this one.
And in this mode we can drive, yeah, without limits.
Yeah.
I mean, only limit on the load, yeah?
Yes.
But no on the time.
No. It's okay. It doesn't matter of the time.
Yeah, yeah.
We can go for 1 month as long as this one is okay. Some ships only 1 hour. You said. No more, no less. You see, Igor, what is happening now? Instead that this shaft will go as a generator, you go the other way as a motor. So you are using this as a main engine through this.
So it means if they will increase the load on the shaft, yeah?
Yes.
So our generators will be
Yeah, if they increase the pitch.
accordingly, yeah?
Yeah. So
Now this will be
so that's the only precaution. If you stop this one, make sure that everything is secured before you take up the lever.
Yeah.
Because there are some instances that you're still not secured, then you pick up the lever and suddenly the engine starts without anything, without any starting there.
But also in this mode we cannot use heavy consumers, yeah? Because also,
Yeah. That's why these are designed for maneuvering.
So Amigo, we have negative reactive power, yeah? Means there is no power loss now.
Yeah, that's why, because
We
we
have-
turn the engine
Yeah.
other way around, you see? If you can see it here.
We have
See?
inductive load because this shaft generator is running as motor.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
You see? There's no load on the generator.
Yun yung ano eh, yun yung stroke dati. Magpapalo na
Ano, pandalan pa natin yung isa para malaman natin kung ilan mag-iis sa tatlo.
Kasi pagka naman na pag lumabot na yan sa limit, automatic na yan sir. Ay, minimum 3 mo na.
Ito nga.
Kasi yung minimum requirements lang naman dalawa, pero pwede naman itatlo yun.
If you want more power,
This power will go like this. If you will start the
no. It will, this one is, because if they increase this way. So, is it that this one is supplying this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. So that you have the limit, so you have only 45%. So, let's go by increase to 3 generators, so now the shaft is around 6.8 knots.
So we go every more, just cutting.
Yeah, you can still increase it. We'll see what's the capability of this. Because anyway, it's only 41% now.
I see, thank you.
Yun mo na kaya. Wala ako. Easier.
Take a smoke together with Ray. He's smoking now. It will take time. They will just...
Oh, I just take away. It's second one, that's very... У нас получается 0, all together, направо.
That's why you engage and you flat out. So that there is, the main engine is not
Yeah, yeah,
no
yeah.
participation.
Bakit ulit? We have checked this fuel consumption table in these different modes. You know, for example, for the 24 hours in this mode,
Yes.
when the two generators is running and according.
We have only the load, let's say at 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%. We have that, and it's only ballast condition and then loaded condition. I think we have here on the, yeah,
It's only for the engine.
we have that one. That's why the operation is facing from it. That's why you see from here going to Puri,
Yeah.
12 knots. So you will see now the, I think it goes in this box. You will see the consumption. So it's around 9 tons.
Hindi mo kailan ginawa itong maayos sir yan natin ginawa, di ba?
Oh,
So PTH mode.
so this is that one. You see the PTH there in the sub generator.
Yeah.
Yes, here. Power tank was here.
Oh, this stuff, that's good.
Bridge, tapos
Yeah, 8.2. 50% pa lang.
Sa tatlong generator.
Yung ramdam mo rin pag nag-increase siya eh. Pumapalo na. Ang hindi ko lang alam dyan, pag inabot niya na yung sagad, kung malalagay niya pa, kung maabante pa, cruise control pa, bounce sakyan. Pag hindi niya na kaya ng load, hindi na siya abante, hindi na siya steady na lang siya.
so PTH mode 70% lang ang stop limit.
Oo.
Yogo pa yun.
Stop limit ng generator.
Oo, pagka
Yeah,
yun,
yeah.
generator lang yan.
Подожди, о чем он, блядь?
Let's go.
Mark, or we can go a bit more?
It's okay now, Kap. At least we know that it can run until 10 knots. I have only 64% with 3 generators running. So I could say that in a good weather we can run until 10 to 10.5 knots.
Now it's 9, and we still have a power to use. Okay, I'm slowly slowing down, and then we go to normal mode, right?
Yeah, copy on that, sir. We will inform you when we are ready to go.
Okay, slowing down, and then I give you control.
So ano susunod dyan? See? Screen na.
Mara lang. Diba? So kunin na natin yung control, disengage, tapos yung sa sequence, stop PTI, EMS harbor,
Sequence clutch from PCS display. Okay,
basta at least minimum, naka-minimum 2 tayo.
Oo.
Naka-minimum 2. Tapos magka-clutch out na tayo doon. Pero
Sige, sige, Jim. Samahan mo si Ray dyan. Dahil pa-stop naman eh. Tingnan mo yung icons dyan.
sabihin mo sir, kay Kapitan tayo na mag-disengage ng clutch.
Hindi, talaga pag binigay niya yung
Sa atin eh.
Control.
Oo nga.
Nag-i-slow lang kasi.
Kasi kung minsan baka mamaya gawin niya kung naka-bridge control, disengage niya eh. Para sigurado ba?
Diba? Just for clarification, you will just give us the control and then the engine will be the one to disengage the clutch.
I'm just slowing down to zero, and then I just give you control. I'm using the rest.
Yeah, okay sir, that's correct. Okay, sir, thank you.
Hello, Chicken Egg. Roll.
Okay. Yeah, okay sir.
Kasi ito naman. Pipili ako. Tapos, hindi, huwag muna. Naka dito sa clutch. Disengage muna. Kasi naka-engage pa tayo, di ba?
Hindi mo pataas.
Isa nag-ano yun. Disengage. Disengage. Pindutin mo. Disengage. Para step by step tayo. So makikita naman natin doon.
Already.
Disengage. Tapos kung naka ngayon, sequence. Sequence.
Manual siya.
Hindi, pindutin mo na sequence. Stop. Stop na siya. Tapos sir, naka ano tayo?
PMS. Iba natin sa
Harbor mode.
Harbor mode.
Harbor mode.
We will put it the harbor mode. Okay. Right click.
Basta naka-minimum 2 naman tayo eh.
Pumarat naman.
Generate.
Okay na.
Generate.
Malaki naman.
Kasi naka yung harbor mode kasi natin sir sa PMS.
Hindi, tama nga. Sige, sige.
Naka-ano lang siya.
Okay.
Ang harbor kasi natin dito, minimum 1. Pwede namin na ito gawing
Hindi,
minimum.
okay na, okay na.
Pwede na.
Change to.
We will not change. It's okay. Because anyway, we will
Kaya
start
pagkakita
it.
dito sir, make sure 2 generators are running.
But it's already activated, right?
Yeah. Just for,
Okay, we can start number 1.
kasi naka-minimum 1 kasi ito sir sa ano eh, sa harbor mode. Parang pumasok ulit. Then 2 generators running and then we will go down to the bottom and then
Yung muna ito huli-huli.
huli na to. Huli na to. Tara. But at first we will engage because it's difficult to connect again.
Bago kayo umangat yung PCS ko na.
Tumatakbo ba yung ano, yung
Pinandar ko na.
yung
Yan, wala.
CCTV?
Third